Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Glenn here. Welcome back to another Transformers review. Sorry about that. And today we will be reviewing the Transformers Dark of the Moon Mechtech Air Raid. Autobot Air Raid, if you can tell by the Autobot symbol there. And here he is, and like always, we'll take a look at the box first. There is Air Raid, Autobots, Transformers Dark of the Moon, Mechtech, weapon system. There's Air Raid on the back in his robot mode, in his alt mode. There's his weapon, Mechtech, and all of that good stuff. And there's a good bio. If you want to read that, you can pause the video and read that yourself. We'll put this back in the box file. And here is Autobot Air Raid in his vehicle mode. Very nice vehicle mode. Very nice. Nice and green. Got some silver detail for the Autobot symbol there. Got some gold detail. Got some silver detail on the back, on his flaps there. His back wings. Some silver for the rotor. And he's got some, what you call it? Landing gear. He's got that, but, yep. We just want to flip those in. Then, let's talk about this guy right fast. Before we get into the comparisons. Actually, you know what? We'll do one comparison for today, because I don't feel like doing, several. So we'll just do a comparison right quick. Here is Core Class Starscream next to Air Raid. And there you go. Boom. He's actually quite big. Core Class Starscream is next to Air Raid. He's quite big. Wow. Alrighty then. Now, there you have the comparisons, and there is obviously no articulation. Well, I guess you could, these go up and down. I guess that you can call that articulation, I guess. I guess. But we'll talk about this dude right fast. Well, this is my very first original figure since I was little. Since I was 3 or 4. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've had an original figure. Well, actually, scratch that. I have an original figure. If you guys remember the first time I've ever did, didn't mean to do that. This right here. What was the name of that figure? Oh yeah, I think Revenge of the Fallen? Not Scourge, but Dirge. Yeah, him. That is an original figure. But this is the very first new original figure that I've ever had, and since then, so, because that guy's not new. He's not new. Yeah, he's not new. Because I've had him since 2009, and I just got this dude a couple days ago, last week. I think a week before that, when me and my dad went to watch Free Guy, which is a good movie, which I recommend everybody to go watch because it was a really good movie. If you like video games and all types of video games, you'll like it. Alright, now that that is done, okay, now we will transform Aerate into his robot mode. Alright, now, first thing you want to do is you want to take the wings. Well, mine, I'm going to be careful with the wings, so I'm just going to gently rotate them backwards. Gently, because had a little mishap there, because it's the pin is out of place, so I'm gonna be careful with this. Now you just want to mess with some panels. You just want to come up to the front and just flip up these two panels here, and you can get this entire section out of here. Just rotate it up, because it's on a double hinge, so double hinge it upwards. Then you want to come down here and mess with these panels. Just get it untabbed and just flip it out. Same for the other side, just untab it, flip it out. Get these like so, and that releases this right here. And you can just go, well, what I did when I first transformed this, I just took this and just lifted it up, but I'm going to separate the legs, and then just take thine leg. Oops, you can do that. My hands are very sweaty, so this is gonna be a little difficult here. There we go. You just wanna get these leg sections up and out of the way. There we go. Up and out of the way, like so. You can keep them tabbed in if you want, but I don't really like doing that, so I transform it how I usually transform it, you know what I mean? So, then you want to just take the leg bit and just take this section here and just hinge it over, hinge that down, rotate it at the thigh. Then you can take the heel spur and just flip it back. Then just take this tab, or this section here, and just fold it flush against the leg. Same on the other side. Flip this out, rotate down, rotate the thigh, flip that back. Then do that right there. Then there you have some legs. Woo! Okay, we're going to raise the camera up. Excuse me. And we will look at his weapon once I get him transformed, because I kind of forgot. Sorry. Raise this up. I'll have to raise it up a little bit more, which is fine by me. Okay, now all you want to do is take his, his wings here, and just fold them back like so, You just fold them back. And you just want to take the both of his arms here, and just take it and just rotate it, flip it down, This one tends to get a little stuck, which is fine, but it scares me because this figure is pretty old, so yeah. You just want to flip his arms down, rotate his arm at the bicep, and then at this arm, you just want to take this whole section and just take it, flip it down, then just flip it out, like so. There you have his other arm, all done. Voila. And we are not done just yet. We need to flip his head up, and in order to do that, there's this big mechanism back here, this whole gray bit that lifts the head up. And what you want to do with that is just take the head of the plane and just flip it up, but don't flip it all the way up yet. Then you want to take this section and just put that back in the original place and just fold those panels down. Then it fills out the back. Then just take his wings and just fold them back here. Then that lifts up the entire head section. Like that. And there you have Air Raid in his robot mode. Boom. Alright, now, before we look at him here, we'll look at his weapon. This is his weapon. Little disc thing. Yeah, it's got a mechanism. It just does that right there. And there you go. There's his weapon. And he can indeed hold his weapon in his hand like that. It's a loose fit because these old figures do not have good grip on their weapons, but that's okay. Anyway, and there you have that. Alright, for comparison, here we have him next to Core Class Starscream. And now, Starscream is a lot smaller. There you go. And here, we'll take a look at Air Raid. There's lovely head sculpt there. Some gold for his fin. Some gold right here. His arms are painted to a minimum. This is not painted. This is not painted, which is fine. Fine by me. Less painted parts, less it will paint chip, so fine by me. Then you got his leg area, nice detail, some lovely green, some silver. Here's his back, some gray pieces that are not painted, obviously. This whole bit. Okay, for articulation, his head does move back and forth, side to side. No up and down, but that's okay. Rotation at the shoulder. In and out at the arm. Bend at the elbow to a minimum. Rotation at the wrist. High kick. Back kick. Knee bend. Rotation at the thigh. And this can go back and forth because of the hinge. Rotation at the arm. And no waist articulation, but that's okay. And no pivot, but that is okay. Then you got this little hinge back and forth here at this arm. And there you have it. And there you have Dark of the Moon, Air Raid. And that will be the end of the review of Dark of the Moon, Air Raid. So, if you guys liked it, click the like button, click the subscribe button down below, and click that notification bell down below. Step down on every time I upload. And again, just a reminder, I really want to hit 50 subs before the end of this year. So if you could do me a big solid, please click the subscribe button. And like always, I will see you guys in the next video. Wait, before I end it, gaming videos are coming back pretty soon. I just wanted to do, I wanted to do the Wave 2 recap next. Then after that, I will get back into the Lion song. Okay, now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.